Welcome back to our yoga adventure. In this video, we're taking our previous yoga command line instructor to the next level by creating a user-friendly web app with Streamlit. Let's dive into the world of Streamlit and web app development. Streamlit, the secret sauce that transforms your sprawling Python scripts into sleek, interactive web apps. It's like taking your code on a spa day and it comes out looking like a star, ready for the web stage. Picking up from where we left off last time, our first step is to install Streamlit. Next, we import Streamlit as ST and temp files, because who doesn't like a bit of aliasing and temporary file juggling? After crafting a main method, we use Streamlit to bravely display a header, venturing into the wild world of web design. This brief setup is sufficient to present a web page, which we promptly put to the test. And voila, a web page appears, sporting a heading as if by some web wizardry. Realizing the voiceover isn't going to create itself, we decide it's time to encapsulate this sorcery in a method. We established two methods. Generate base 64 frames is the first, tasked with extracting frames from the video. Initially, we saved the video in a temporary file, utilizing the temp file library. We use a temporary file for video processing, ensuring safe and efficient handling of user-uploaded content without affecting the original file. We read the provided video and save it in the temp file, subsequently retrieving the video's file name. In the video capture method, we replace the file name with our new temporary file's name and return the base 64 frames. The second method focuses on generating the actual voiceover, requiring us to supply the frames, the remainder of the code remains unchanged, maintaining its current functionality. We have to fix the variable name. We then fetch and return the result from GPT. We integrate these two methods into our main method, starting with allowing users to upload their videos. In the next step, we employ the file uploader function of Streamlit for this purpose. Once a file is uploaded, we instantly showcase it in a Streamlit video component. Time for a test drive, because what's coding without the thrill of will it actually work? Upon selecting a video, we notice its successful display on the web page. Next, we set up a button to initiate the video conversion. The code will present a button, and upon clicking, it will verify whether a video has been selected. Clicking Run conjures a spinner, the universal symbol of something is happening, please wait. We then invoke the Generate Base 64 Frames method with the uploaded video. Subsequently, we feed these frames into our second method, Generate Voice over Text. In the end, we present the generated voice over text on the website. Let's put our creation to the test, fingers crossed. We re-upload the video and hit start. Behold, the yoga instructions display successfully, proving that our digital yoga teacher might just have a future. If you've enjoyed this journey of transforming a simple video into a yoga instructor and have a thirst for more such tech wizardry, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures in coding. For the spell book, I mean the code, check out the link in the description. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions are the magic ingredients that help us bring more tech sorcery to your screens.